Well, greetings and salutations. Art Collins here with a simple question. If a market opens above its previous day's high or below its previous day's low, what do? Is it better to tend to go with the move, or is it better to fade it? We see openings here, a couple that are higher than the previous day session high. Day session being 8:30 a.m. through 3:15 p.m. Central Time. And here we see lower gaps under the previous day's day session low. Turns out, best thing you can do, all other things being equal, is go in the direction. Okay? Don't quite have affirmation in the NASDAQ, but overall, we do see a bias. Now, whenever I start with a broad concept like that, and I see results like we just saw, I ask myself, what can be done to improve this? It usually involves filtering out some trades, making our whole universe of trades smaller. A couple of methods came to mind immediately. One is make the rule more stringent, not just that it has to open above the high, but it has to open X percent above the high, X percent of a daily average, for example. It's got to open at 25, the high plus 25% of the last 3-day average ranges, or 10% or whatever. I ran a bunch of optimization studies through. That didn't work very well. So then I had a second idea. Well, instead of just buying or selling at the market, let's make it move a little bit in our favor. So here's the rules for the filtered idea. If the market opens above yesterday's day session high, buy at the open plus 10% of the last 3-day average range on a stop. And if the market opens below yesterday's session low, sell short at the open minus 10% of the last 3-day average range on a stop. Hold the trade through the day session and exit on the close. So I'll give you a reminder of what we looked at initially. Keep your eyes on the bouncing ball. And with the new adjustment, much better. Okay? Probably losing, I'd say, 15 to 20% of the trades, but even so, all of the net profits are higher. All of the drawdowns are lower, more bearable. All of the return on accounts are higher. And did I mention all of the percent profits are higher? So this is pretty unusual. And we did manage to turn that losing NASDAQ result into a winner. So the filter's a good one. Merry Christmas. Keep your eye out for this. I'm working on the 2020 Almanac to the Beating the Financial Futures Market book. Thanks for joining me, everyone.